Hey guys, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining us again today for another recipe video. So today I'm going to be showing you another way to use the Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen Powder. It's going to be in a soup. So this one is my gut healing cauliflower comforter. Enjoy. So there aren't too many ingredients in this recipe. We've just got some celery, one brown onion, a couple of turnips. We're using one stock cube, one whole cauliflower, some nutmeg, hemp oil, Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen Powder, that's the gut healing element, a little garlic powder, you could use fresh garlic as well, and some Himalayan salt. Okay, so the first step to making this soup is to chop up your veggies. We've got our turnip, brown onion, and celery. That's one stick of celery, one brown onion, and 2 turnips. So then I'm going to saute these and sweat them off until they're nice and soft. So I'm just cooking the turnip, celery and onion in a little bit of perfect coconut oil until nice and soft. So this has been cooking down for a couple of minutes, so now I'm going to add in the vegetable stock. Followed by the cauliflower. So I just added a little bit of Himalayan salt, and now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, that's fine, just use fresh garlic or minced garlic. Okay, so I've just turned the heat off. I've added a pinch of nutmeg and a drizzle of hemp oil, because hemp products are now legal to consume in Australia. Woohoo! So just a pinch of nutmeg, and now I'm going to add 2 scoops of the Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen Powder. And then using my stick blender, I'm going to whiz this until it's really smooth. So as you can see, I've whizzed it up, it's really creamy, and now I'm just going to serve it up in a bowl and then top it with some steamed kale. So there you have it, that's my gut healing cauliflower comforter. Hope you get to try this one, it's really, really nice and really nourishing in these cooler months. If you liked this video today, be sure to give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great recipes. And if you want to know when we're uploading our next video, be sure to tap the bell. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.